Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. VeChain has rallied nicely, broke recently above the red trend line, which was an early indication that a low of sorts had formed. And yeah, we rallied then, but only reached the 100% extension at 2.6 cents. As you can see here, that is typically an indication that an ABC structure is unfolding or something, but we can still give the bulls the chance, but it would then, or the price would then need to hold the 2.25 cent level. So if we have a 1-2, an AB, 1-2 AB setup, then the C wave rally could take us to 2.8 cents to 2.97 cents next. Again, for a confirmation that a substantial low really formed here on the 5th of August, we need to see all 5 waves to the upside completed. At the moment, we are only in the 3rd wave, okay? That doesn't mean we have to form all 5 waves, but if we get 5 waves, if the bulls are strong enough and form a 5-wave pattern, well, only then we can really be confident that the bulls are taking the lead overall, and it might actually take us to new highs, okay, in a multi-month uptrend or something. But at the moment, all we've seen, still, if you zoom out a little bit, it's still lower lows, it's still lower highs. So a lot of work is needed to really indicate that the trend is moving or transforming from a downtrend, which started here in February, March, that it's moving back into an uptrend. So yeah, a lot of work is still needed. We are, let's say, far away from that confirmation, but we can watch for it. It is important to recognize that at best, this move to the upside would be a diagonal pattern. So it can't be an impulse. Why can it not be an impulse? Because this rally here looks like a 3-wave move. And it's also a little bit too long to be a 1-2, 1-2 setup, but it works well as a 1-2 AB structure. All that means is we might only get one more leg up to complete wave 3, then a wave 4 and an ABC in wave 5, and it will be a messy structure and it's prone to failure. These diagonal patterns have a high failure rate. So that means the focus needs to be on this micro support zone. We haven't seen any buy reaction yet. You could simply draw a trend line here to get an idea of a possible upside breakout attempt. And then a break above the A wave high that formed the 2.65 cents would be an indication really that wave C to the upside has started. I already gave you the upside target levels. Now, if we see further downside and the price breaks below 2.25 cents, then the next key support is down here around 2.15 cents. And that's also the invalidation point for the diagonal pattern. We don't want the B wave to go below the low of the wave 2. That would be invalidation. Yeah, maybe not strictly. I mean, technically B waves can overshoot to the downside, but in practice, it doesn't really happen in diagonals. So it would then rather be something different. But that's what I'm watching for at the moment. The local trend is clearly still down, and it will to a degree, depend on Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin is also, forming a deep pullback at the moment, but has now also reached a support zone as per the last Bitcoin update. So maybe the bulls can turn it around, and then also VeChain will follow accordingly. Important to recognize that VeChain is also now in a micro support zone. That's the update about VeChain. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.